Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Among Us on your Amazon tablet. So in the first step we have to open the web browser, then look for the Among Us APK. Remember, we are downloading it from the unofficial source, so you make it on your own risk. Okay, now just click on the download APK. And tap on the download APK again. I have previously downloaded that file, so we can go to the downloads, and you can see we have Among Us, so just tap on it to start the install process. Click on the settings and other permissions. Go back to the installation and tap on the install. Okay, now we can open it. And how you can see, it's worked perfect. That's it, now you can play Among Us on the Amazon tablet. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.